Hello everyone, I made a video today. This was the video and many people have many queries about it, like how to use Databricks with Opencode and ZCode. So we can use it, and this video is all about that. You can see that one is asking about how to use with ZCode and many are asking about Opencode, how is. So in this video we will see how to set up Databricks with Opencode and the ZCode. So go to your Databricks platform. If you haven't watched the earlier video, make sure you watch it, otherwise this video is not making sense to you. Go to AI gateway and click on the GLM 5.2 model and open your Opencode. Click on this gear icon or settings icon, click on the providers, then go to the custom provider and you can name it Databricks AI, and the display name will be Databricks AI. Because there is a default provider Databricks, that's why we are giving it AI, otherwise Databricks is also fine, and you can name it anything if you want. Make sure the provider ID is in the small letter, and for the page URL just copy this URL till v1, and for the API key we will do that later. Before going to API key we will copy the model ID, and in this case paste the model ID here and name it GLM 5.2. and for the API key we will go to the setting, we will go to then developer access tokens, and we will create a new token. We can name it fight video or anything you want. Then go to AI gateway, make sure the other APIs are selected, create the API key and copy this API key and paste it in here, and you are good to go. Make sure you have done everything right, otherwise it will not going to work. Click submit, and as you can see that Databricks AI is connected, so we will be selecting it. So my bad, write down completely Databricks AI and select the GLM 5.2, and let's say we will say hi. So we told it to write a for loop in C and Python and then compare. So as you can see that it is responding very well in GLM 5.2 via the Databricks AI. This is how you can set it up in the Opencode. Okay, let's quickly set it up with GCode. I will open the GCode. So as you can see that GCode is open. Click on this setting icon, add provider, and we will name it data. You can name it anything, Databricks also fine. Copy this URL. Okay, the URL will be this. Make sure you copy it until v1, and then copy the model ID as well. Add model, click model ID and save. Now we need to select the API format as chat completions, and now we will go to the settings, go to developer, go to manage access tokens and create a new token. We will name it anything. Make sure to select AI gateway, the same method, generate. Copy this token and paste it in here and click on add provider. So as you can see that it is already here. Refresh everything and back to the workspace, and we will choose the model from the data we added and GLM 5.2, and let me write hey. Okay, there is something bad happening with the GCode because I earlier tried it and it was working. So make sure you try this way. It was working earlier. Currently I don't know why it is showing the error. So you can try this way, and it was working earlier. Currently it is not working. I don't know what's the issue. So make sure you try at home and tell me that was it working in your case or not. And it was working a while ago, almost 10 minutes ago. That's why I'm making this video. So it could be some GCode error, but you can use this way. And make sure you watch my latest video and make sure you subscribe, because tomorrow morning there will be a video in which you can access all the Chinese models freely with much heavy credit. Make sure you hit subscribe, like button. Thanks for watching.